Hi, I'm Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an automatic ETL pipeline using Foldda. Let's say we want to build an ETL pipeline that has these features. It has a trigger scanning an FTP location at a time interval, downloads any file that matches the name pattern, passes the download files as CSV, then write the passed content to a target database table. For functional design, we can make these features implemented as a software module or component. In Foldda, pre-built modules are packaged as folders. So for building the pipeline, we just need to find the modules with the feature we want and arrange them in the correct order. This is how we do this in Foldda. In this folder, I have already selected 4 pre-made modules, which has the feature required for our pipeline. So all we need to do is to arrange them in the right order so they will execute in the sequence we want. We put the database writing after the parsing. We put the parsing after the download, and we put the download after the timer. So we have a hierarchy like this. So a folder hierarchy like this is called a folder solution. And to run this solution, we need a runtime. A folder solution manager is a runtime that can execute a solution like this. To deploy that, we just drag the hierarchy into the runtime. And the runtime automatically recognizes the execution order according to the hierarchy of the folders. So we have a timer, download, CSV, parsing, and TB writing. Now before we run this solution, let's check out our testing setup. So we have a FTP location, has an addresses CSV file sitting in one of the folders. Let's take a look of the content. It has a header line. It has 6 records in this file. On the other end, we have a database table called staging sitting in the database called demo. And then at the moment, it has no data in the table. If we start the solution, we're expecting the timer triggers the event at every 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, the file gets downloaded and eventually gets written to the database. Let's see if it happens. So nothing happened because the timer hasn't been triggered, but now it has been triggered. You can see there's counters in changing numbers, and we can see the 6 records has been written to the database. Let's see if we can find the data there. Yes, we can see there's 6 lines of data sitting there now. So what happened to the folder modules? In each folder modules folder, it has a folder.config file which contains the settings and instructions for constructing and running the module. The runtime program, when deploying the solution, converts this instruction into a CPU processes. And it also connects the input and output of these processes to form the data processing pipeline. I will leave some links for the related download below this video for you to try out this demo. It's very easy. In part 2 of this demo, I will go through the details of each module of this ETL so you can make changes to it so it will work to your specific settings and requirements. See you in the next video.